All right. Good evening, everybody. This is Rules Crypto. Um, there was a lot of posts out there today on Reddit, and there has been in the past as well about the UTXOs and why it says I have so many ADA locked by tokens. What does this mean? How comes it says my ADA is locked? And the way that I understand it is how I'm going to explain to you, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to go inside my Eternal wallet, and this is what I choose to use just because I like it the best, although it has been a little bit laggy lately as far as sending and receiving to display stuff and load. It takes a minute for things to load up for some reason or sync. Maybe it's because I have a bunch of other wallets, but anyways, so going to your UTXO list, you will see these different UTXOs, and it will show you as you go down the list the amount of ADA linked to them with the different tokens. So how do we clear this up? And then you can see my collateral as well, 580A, 580A, two different things there. But how do we fix this? So I'm going to go ahead and select my wallet here, which is the wallet I'm displaying to you right now. And I'm going to send all of those tokens, and hopefully this will work. I will send them all in one transaction to myself. Here, let me go back real quick and just show you, like, this is my token list. And as you can see, the list is lengthy. For the video, I just put it into simple mode because, well, like I said, we put it in detailed mode for some reason lately. Eternal wallet has been lagging. Maybe it's because I have so much shit. But I have this wallet basically to stake to the summon pool in Cardano. What's up, Cardano? And I keep all of my miscellaneous tokens on here so it doesn't bog down my other wallet that I mainly use for trading and swapping and yield farming and whatnot. So all these tokens in here, of course, over time from drip drops and getting 10 tokens at once, that has a UTXO when all those tokens are sent to me. And that happens over time. You get more and more UTXOs with ADA attached to it. So let's go ahead and try to clear up this UTXO list. And then hopefully it will take care of all of the, or at least some of the ADA locked by tokens. Hopefully. So I'm going to select myself, of course. Send to account, which is this one. Bam. And then we're going to go through this process with you here on the video, and I apologize ahead of time because this is probably going to take a little bit of time. So first of all, I want to select fungible tokens. You get in to start sending NFTs and stuff, and that's going to require more funds to send at the same time, or ADA to send at the same time. So we're going to go to add all on page. You can see I just hit the fungible tokens button, and that's all it has on here. I'm going to make sure add all on page, and this is where Eternal will start to get laggy. I'm actually dragging down right now, but it's not responding. We'll go to the next page. Should do a little review on this so you guys don't get too bored here. Just bear with me, we will get through this together. As you can see, the lagginess has taken place. Come on, baby. Next page. Add all on page. And if any developer from Eternal Wallet is sitting here watching this right now. For this part, I'm sure a lot of people would agree with me. You should go ahead and put the buttons that I have to scroll up to every time at the bottom, seeing as how you have to scroll down here every time, or put these at the top and the bottom so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Just a suggestion. So we don't need this one. This is a NFT, the whiteboard Charles Hoskinson video. So we're going to go to add all on page. And scroll back down as soon as Eternal decides to catch up. And we're going to remove that one from the list anytime this year. Couple more pages. You can do it, Eternal. Alright. And we're going to go to add all on page there. Scroll back down. This doesn't do my favorite wallet a whole lot of justice, I guess, but it is what it is. You gotta be real about what's going on, and this is an issue that I've noticed lately with Eternal Wallet. Really nothing I can do about it other than deal with it, because I do like this wallet a whole lot better than the other ones. With that being said, I've been meaning to try out Typhon and Ray, I think it's Ray Wallet. I have them installed, I just haven't taken the time to actually go through it and review them. And we've made it to page 9. It is a miracle. So, add it all on page. Come on. So as you can see there, it has 24.79 ADA that it takes to require to send all of these assets to myself. Now, as a rule, I'm going to go ahead and just make this an even 26, if it'll let me. As it will. This is more than frustrating, let me tell you. Let's type in the password here. Sign it. Bam. Pending. Complete. New transaction added to the list. Then we're going to go to our account, and boom. As you can see, doing that freed up a multitude of my tokens. If you remember at the beginning of the video, it was 79 total locked ADA by tokens, and now it's 38. As I said before, go to the UTXO list, and as you can see before, I believe it was 24 UTXOs as to where there's only 12 now. Now, why is that? Well, because if you remember, when I originally showed you my token list, I didn't select the NFTs that are there as well. So those are locked up by ADA as well. I have quite a few little NFTs here and there, and a bunch of random Cardano stuff as well. So stick to the summoning pool if you want to get those Cardano rewards for your land plots. Um, but that's basically it. Total ADA locked, buy tokens, now drop down from 79 to 38, very simply just by sending yourself the funds, or the tokens, I apologize, and a little extra ADA on the top. I added two. I'm not even really sure if you had to do that, but that is just what I do normally. And you've cleared up all your random UTXOs. So if you have a problem where every single time you go to harvest your funds from Cardano, this is a good example, the ADA fee is usually 0.17 or 0.16. But for somebody like me who has a bunch of UTXOs in a smaller wallet with a smaller amount, a lot of the times if your UTXOs aren't cleared up properly and you have them all chopped up by locked ADA, it'll charge you 0.3 ADA. I think I'm explaining that correctly. I'm going to go ahead and put this video up now that I got my internet working and stuff. I'll place it online, and hopefully that clears up some of the questions. If not, you can come and check me out on Twitter. I'm always open for a DM or two. Take it easy. Peace out.